Right then guys, so I'll just show you what's happening on Friday afternoon. So it's been a bit hot in here, but you can see some of these aren't looking too bad. So I think I'm starting to get a bit of rooting. These look a bit wilty. I think it's the heat. These are, sometimes they take, sometimes they don't. So that's why I did a few, but you can see they're looking really neat. Definitely. Germination wise, coriander's a bit slow, look, nothing there. What's quite interesting is how amazing some of these are. So fennel, nothing. Tatsoi, they're looking nice with a bit of humidity. I'm going to take the lid off now, I don't need it. And then here, look, Mizuna, that's why they're my favourite. They grow so strongly. So it's only after like 4 days, and then they're the mixed leaves. So we'll see how it's going, but looking good. Lettuce is picking up here. That's the next generation. These are about done really, starting to go a bit bitter. And tomatoes are doing well. Got some bigger, some smaller. Let's have a look. Oh, let's take this one off. Oh, that's feeling nice actually. I think that's it's almost there. Didn't come off too easy. Let's have a taste. This is the first tomato of the season. Oh yeah, it's nice. So there we are. First tomato. We've got some stylish. These are stripy ones. Pepper. Ooh. This is my grafted one. The other pepper's not. There's a lot of flowering. Maybe a bit later. Some more tomatoes there. It's been a bit unusual. Got some little ones growing in here. There we go. So there's all sorts happening. So yeah, so doing pretty well, but yeah, quite pleased with the growth. So there we go. If you enjoyed that, come back and join me another time. So I'm back in the poly. I've got this tatsoi that I'm going to plant out. So we've been growing it in the little trays. They're all like little now, you can see the corianders there. So I've pulled up the lettuce that we're going, which I've used most of. The tatsoi now will be 2 or 3 more weeks and I have to sow a bit more. But it's just reinvigorated the ground, just a bit of weeding, a little bit of blood, fish and bone meal, that kind of stuff. Taking out some of these weeds, which are annoying, like these things. Just got to try and keep on top of the weeds. So I'm just taking the little plugs, just push them in, water them in, they're going to be lovely. So they'll all grow nicely over there. Got my jalapenos are coming now, some of the basil. The other sowing the lettuce has gone in, so doing quite well. I've also been tidying up some of the base of the tomatoes because I want these guys to start to ripen. They're a little bit late this year with the weather. But I've just taken off the bottom foliage, and then obviously all these tomatoes at the top, they're going to keep going. But the plant just doesn't need all the stuff at the bottom, so it's good just to take off some of these leaves around the bottom, let some ventilation, stops all the pests from sort of climbing up the plant. So I'm going to finish off these tatsoi.